What is up, guys? Welcome back to Tech Man. In this video, I will guide you through how you can activate developer badge on Discord. First, go to Discord's official support center and search for active developer badge and click this link over here. Then you will be redirected on this page. Scroll down to go to this Am I eligible topic. Click New Application at the top right part of your screen. Then input the name of your bot over here and check this box to accept terms and conditions and click Create once done. For the general information, you can customize this one based on your likings or requirements. Then after typing your bot's description, head over to Bot tab on the left side of your screen. Then over here, click on Reset Token. Then just click on Yes, do it to proceed. Then you will need to input your Discord password on this prompt. After that, you will now see the token over here. Just simply copy this one, then scroll down and go to Privilege Gateway Intents. It's over here. You need to enable this settings right here. And then if you scroll down a little, you will see this bot permissions. Then adjust this way the way you want to. Once done, let's head to this site called botghost.com. Then over here, just click the Create a Bot button. Then it will automatically redirect you to your Discord account. Just simply authorize this prompt, and you will be taken to the official website of BotGhost. Paste the token that we copied a while ago. Then click on Create Bot. And right after that, navigate to the invite on your left tab over here. You will be taken again into authorization prompt. Then go ahead and select a server on this dropdown. And after 24 hours, you will get the active badge on Discord. So that's it. Well, that's it for today's video. For more videos like this, make sure to click subscribe. And if this video was helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and share. See you next time!